these are the two parts. This one is a Wi-Fi module, ESP12F, which is ESP12 model. And the other thing is the power supply page. You can see this one is a USB connector. It can be connected to a normal mobile charger. And this one is a regulator, 7773. It's a 3-point connector here. It's a normal voltage regulator. Actually it is an SMD component. It is already like this. So with these two things you can make a Wi-Fi repeater, because ESP12 needs 3.3 volt, and this 3.3 volt is provided by this regulator from 5 volt to 3.3 volt. So putting it together one over the other, this will be a small Wi-Fi